Welcome to How to Solve.
Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox voice chat not working. Let's go! So as you can see, the moment I'm on Roblox website, just press on the gear icon and go to your Roblox settings. Once you're in your settings, what you need to do next is make sure your age is verified here and then go into privacy and make sure you have enabled the voice chat. It's actually under the beta features, but you can only do this once you've gone and verified your age. As you can see, you need to cut and complete the age verification and then go to the privacy tab and go and change to voice chat selector. That's the first thing that we have to make sure that we did. If you're done verifying your age and you still don't have the option for the Roblox voice chat, then it's probably worth getting in contact with Roblox support. All you need to do is scroll to the bottom and go and tap on help. And on the help page, you can go and submit a request. And then Roblox will be the one to reach out to you to help you with the concern. Now, the next thing that I'm going to be showing you now, the next thing that I'm going to be showing you is the fix that we have if you're already on a Roblox game. So all you want to do is go and pause your game just like so. Then go to settings and you need to make sure you've actually turned up your volume. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to go and hear other people currently using voice chat. The second thing that you need to do is go and unmute yourself. So you will know that you're not unmute if you see the microphone icon on top of your Roblox character. It will go on green if you're already unmuted. Another way that you can unmute yourself is by clicking on it manually. So you can just go and unmute it from the Roblox pause menu icon as well. And another reason why voice chat isn't working is because your microphone isn't working too. So to fix that, you have to go to your settings just like so. And what you need to do is go and find your input device and make sure to select a microphone that you are currently using. And again, you'll know if your microphone is not working if you see this green microphone button. And another reason for why voice chat may not be working, you can't go and hear certain people, is because you've got to mute them first. For example, this character right here, if I go and tap on their speaker, that's actually going to mute them. So that's another thing that you have to make sure of. Make sure that nobody's muted on the game. That's actually it. Those are some ways on how you can fix Roblox voice chat not working.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.